I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check your Android model and OS in settings because some fixes differ by version. Once done, restart both the phone and router. Power off, wait 30 seconds, power on, because many transient issues clear that way. Then open Wi-Fi, tap the problematic SSID and choose Forget. This clears bad credentials. Make sure you have the exact password ready. And only then, attempt a fresh connection to force a clean handshake. Next, you tackle the middle layer of configuration that commonly breaks connections. Toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the radio stack, and then re-enable Wi-Fi. If DHCP keeps failing, switch to a manual static IP, choose 192, 168, X, Y outside DHCP range, input the correct gateway and DNS so you eliminate lease issues. Make sure the router isn't blocking your device with MAC filtering, and verify whether your phone connects only on 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz, since some devices prefer one band. For the final steps, reset network settings to factory defaults. This clears Bluetooth, VPN, and saved Wi-Fi so you get a truly clean state. Then update your phone's system software and your router firmware because incompatibilities cause subtle failures. Reboot both after updates. Finally, test with a different Wi-Fi network. If you connect there, the problem is the router. If not, it's the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, capture a Wi-Fi scan log or use safe mode to rule out apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.